Hi and welcome back to Rite Style Cooking TV. Today we're gonna do some baked chicken. In this pan I got 4 pounds chicken, washed, cleaned properly. I'm gonna add the dry seasoning. One teaspoon salt, teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon chives, teaspoon garlic powder, one teaspoon adobo, all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon thyme leaves, half a teaspoon parsley flakes, half a teaspoon chili powder, one teaspoon onion powder, one teaspoon pimento, also called allspice. And that's it for the dry seasoning. Put a tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon soy sauce. I'm gonna add the vegetable seasonings now. One medium onion, small bell pepper, sweet pepper, 2 stalks scallion or spring onion, 3 jalapeno peppers, 3 banana peppers, 3 cloves garlic, 2 sprigs of thyme. I'll be adding 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna rub all of these together now. Rub them in. If you notice, the chicken still got the skin on. This is the best way to bake chicken. Bake them with the skin on. If you do otherwise, the chicken will dry out. Okay, I'll get back to you when I finish seasoning the chicken and when I'm putting them in the pan to bake. See you then. Okay, I'm back and I marinated the chicken pieces. I'm gonna put them in this baking pan and put them in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven, and I'll be baking them for 25 to 30 minutes. So I'll be putting them in the pan now. Okay, I'll put them in the baking pan and I'll be putting them in the oven. Right now, preheated oven, 400 degrees, baking for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay folks, I'm back. And the chicken is now baked. It took a little more than 30 minutes, but it's finally done. How wonderful it looks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.